Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Abdul Rahman. My matrix number is AN200093. So for today, we would like to present about our project report of design project, which is our topic is absorber in automotive industry. Okay. For the first, let me introduce our team, which is the first one is Muhammad Azizul Hakim bin Muhammad Anwar. Second is Muhammad Akmal bin Baharum. Third is Muhammad Fahmi bin Nasaruddin. And fourth is Muhammad Akil bin Ramlan. And lastly is me, is Muhammad Alif bin Abdul Rahman. So let we continue with the after presenter. Thank you.
In this part, I will present you about the objective of our project. The first objective is to construct the assembly 3D model of the common absorber in market. Second is we want to analyze the assembled 3D model of the common absorber in market. And the last of our objective is to measure the mechanical property of the model using a FE software. Okay, we continue for the scope. In this part, I will ask the three scope in our project. First is to apply the absorber in automotive industry. Second is use a SolidWorks assembly to build a 3D model. Last is FEA analysis study and investigate the stress, strain and deformation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Akmal bin Baharum. My metric number is AN200152. I will continue our presentation about material. So for the material that we use for shock absorber is alloy steel. Steel has this ability to bend without breaking. It is determined by the alloying components found in the steel. Steel loses ductility when it has more carbon atoms. So the properties in alloy steel is strength, hardness, toughness, resistant to heat and resistant to corrosion. Next, for the methodology, firstly we have a project implementation. In project implementation, we have discussion, parts, assembly and mechanical analysis. For the first is discussion. After receive the instruction from the doctor, we have selection of product in automotive industry, that is shock absorber. Second is part. We use the SolidWorks 2022 and draw the sketch by part. Third is assembly. We have completed 3D model with assembly, drawing and complete maths. And lastly, mechanical analysis. We use the SolidWorks simulation, and after running this study, we will get the stress, displacement and strain result for the product. This is our flow chart. First we start. Second, product selection. Next, we create design in SolidWorks by part. Next is assembly component and mechanical testing. If we fail do it, we just go back to the assembly component. Next, method selection, project assembly, run and analysis. If we have some error or anything happen, we just go back to the project assembly. Next is improvement and of our project. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Nasaruddin. My metric number is CN210038. So I will explain about the result and analysis. This is the mass properties for each part and the assembly part. Next, we proceed to the next slide. The amount of force that we put was 450 Newton. So based on the simulation, the minimum value of von Mises stress is 646 exponent power of negative 12 megapascal, while the maximum value of von Mises stress is 7.357 exponent. Next, for displacement, the minimum of displacement is 0 mm, while the maximum value of displacement is 2.027 exponent the power of negative 3 mm. Next, the minimum value of strain is 1.464 exponent the power of negative 17, while the maximum value of strain is 2.487 exponent the power of negative 5. This result can be improved by using better material, improvement of the geometry, and usage of lower force. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name Muhammad Aziz Hakim bin Muhammad Anwar, matric number CN200177. Okay, for our conclusion, our shock absorber stress design project has effectively addressed the challenge of optimizing the structural integrity and performance of shock absorbers under various load conditions. Through analysis, simulation, and testing, we have successfully identified the critical stress point and implemented design modification to enhance the overall strength and durability of the shock absorber. By considering factors such as material selection, we have achieved a robust design that can withstand the demanding force encountered during vehicle operation. The project has provided valuable insight into stress analysis and design optimization. Okay, next for the recommendation. Based on the finding and analysis conducted during the shock absorber stress design project, the following recommendations are provided. Okay, number 1, material selection. Consider utilizing high-strength materials such as alloy steel or composite material with excellent fatigue and impact-resistant properties. This material will help enhance the shock absorber ability to withstand high stress loads and extend its overall lifespan. Continuous improvement. Emphasize the importance of continuous improvement in shock absorber design. Stay updated with the latest industry advancement, research studies, and customer feedback to incorporate innovative design features and enhance the overall performance and reliability of the shock absorber. By following this recommendation, the shock absorber stress design project will result in an optimized design that can withstand high stress loads, enhance durability, and improve the overall performance of the shock absorber in real-world application. Thank you.